Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, as-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim, bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-E-Imran, فيه آيات بينات مقام إبراهيم ومن دخله كان آمنا ولله على الناس حج البيت من استطاع إليه سبيلا ومن كفر فإن الله غني عن العالمين. Translation: There are clear memorial signs in it, the place where Ibrahim stood, and whosoever enters in it will be secured in peace. And performing pilgrimage Hajj to that house is a duty imposed by Allah on the people for those who have the ability and means for journey to it. And those who disbelieve know that Allah is rich and free from all needs of the worlds. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made this house from the beginning the source of external and internal, physical and spiritual barakat and signs. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sent the final messenger who is the messenger for the ins and jinn, for the humans and jinn from this city of Mecca. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made the Baitullah for the manasik Hajj, and the rituals of Hajj are done over there, and people from all over the world visited. Muslims in all over the world face this house of Allah whenever they are praying. The people who are visiting this house of Allah do the tawaf of Kaaba, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala send His blessings on these people. The previous messengers also came to this house of Allah, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made this house the source of goodness, nur and barakah. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made this house a place of peace, and nothing can be killed, including humans, animals, even plants and trees cannot be killed there. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has saved the stone on which Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam stood and constructed the Kaaba with the help of his son Ismail alayhi salam, and there is no doubt that Ibrahim alayhi salam visited that place. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has made this place for the location for Hajj, and Hajj cannot be done anywhere but in this place. And this shows that there is some special light or nur of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this place. That is the reason Allah has chosen this place. And as explained yesterday, that this place has been present till the time of Adam alayhi salam or even before. And this place has been chosen by Allah for the worship and Hajj. A very important lesson we can derive from this ayah, that whoever can afford to travel to Mecca must go to Mecca as soon as possible and do the Hajj of Mecca. They should not wait to become older and to do the Hajj after they are done with all the responsibilities. This is the responsibility that one must do as soon as they are able to do it. There is a hadith in which Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that unless someone is limited by any limitation, or a king is stopping him, or there is a disease that holds him from traveling and going for Hajj, and he does not go Hajj without any of these reasons, he should die as a Jew or die as a Christian. Meaning all Muslims must perform Hajj as soon as they are able to afford it. Oh Allah, help us perform the Hajj as soon as possible and invite us to your house. Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.